You need to hear this, because it might be the one thing that has been hurting your body every single night. I'm talking about sleeping on your stomach. Yes, that position so many of us love, the position that feels safe, comfortable, like a warm cocoon. But the truth is shocking. Sleeping on your stomach is slowly damaging your spine. And most people have no idea it's happening. Not until the pain shows up. Not until the stiffness sets in. Not until the mornings get harder and harder. So today, I want to talk to you directly, like a friend who discovered something serious, something quietly dangerous, something you deserve to know, because your spine matters, your sleep matters, your long-term health matters, and fixing this one habit could change everything. Let's break it down. Plain language. No fear-mongering. Just the truth. And a caring nudge toward a healthier way to rest. Look, we all sleep in different ways. Some on our backs, some on our sides, and yes, some on our stomachs. You might think it's harmless. You might think, hey, I sleep fine. What's the big deal? But your spine doesn't lie. Your muscles don't lie. Your morning discomfort doesn't lie. Your body keeps score. And the position you sleep in shapes that score more than you realize. So let's talk about what really happens when you spend 6, 7, maybe 8 hours twisted in a position your body was never designed for. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. And it may be exactly what you've been needing to hear all along. I want to keep this simple and clear. Here are the 4 biggest problems caused by stomach sleeping. And these are not tiny issues. They build up. They accumulate. They affect almost everything your spine does for you. Let's go one by one. Bad thing number 1. It forces your neck to twist for hours. Think about it. If you lie on your stomach, you can't breathe with your face in the pillow. So what do? You turn your head left or right, and you stay like that for hours. Try this right now. Turn your head to the side as far as it comfortably goes. Hold it there for 30 seconds. Feel that tension, that pull, that strain near the base of your skull. Now imagine holding that position for 8 hours straight, every single night. That's what stomach sleeping does. This unnatural twist compresses your neck joints. It strains your muscles. It tightens everything around your upper spine. It can even irritate the nerves that run down your arms. Morning stiffness, neck cracking, headaches. These might not be random. They might be long-term side effects of a habit you never realized was hurting you. Your neck is not meant to be twisted like that, especially not for hours at a time. Bad thing number 2. Your lower back gets pulled into a sagging curve. When you sleep on your stomach, your pelvis sinks downward. Your lower back arches. Not in a healthy way. Not in a supported way. But in a forced, unnatural bend. This is called hyperextension. And it slowly wears on your spine. It stresses your discs. It strains your spinal joints. It tightens your back muscles. It weakens your core over time. That deep ache in the lower back in the morning. That sudden jolt of pain when you bend forward. That stiff, tired feeling in your hips. These can all come from that sagging spine position. Your lower back needs support. It needs alignment. Stomach sleeping does the opposite. Bad thing number 3. It puts pressure on your organs and breathing. This one surprises a lot of people. When you lie flat on your stomach, your weight presses down on your chest and belly. This makes breathing just a little harder. Not enough to panic, but enough to reduce the deep, healthy breaths your body wants during rest. Shallow breathing means less oxygen, more tension, less restorative sleep, and more morning fatigue. And that's not all. The pressure on your abdomen forces your internal organs to shift slightly. Nothing catastrophic, but not ideal either, especially night after night after night. Your body simply rests better when nothing is being squished. Bad thing number 4. It prevents your spine from resting and repairing. This is the big one. The silent one. The one that compounds over the years. When you sleep, your spine actually heals. Your discs rehydrate. Your muscles release tension. Your joints reset. But they can only do this in a neutral, aligned position. Stomach sleeping puts your spine into a twisted, bent shape. Your neck is rotated. Your back is arched. Your shoulders are compressed. Your hips are rotated inward. Your spine never fully rests. Instead, it stays in a mild state of stress. Imagine trying to recharge your phone, but the charger is slightly unplugged. You're getting just a bit of power. Never full, never optimal. That's what stomach sleeping does. It steals the quality of your rest, quietly, patiently. Over the years, all right, let's move to the positive, because change is possible. And your body responds quickly when you give it what it needs. Here are the 4 biggest benefits you'll feel when you switch to back or side sleeping. Good thing number 1, your neck finally gets to rest. When you sleep on your side or back, your neck stays straight, neutral, aligned, supported. The muscles release, the tension drops, the nerves relax. People often report fewer morning headaches, less cracking and stiffness, a more relaxed upper back, and better posture during the day. Your neck is one of the most sensitive parts of your spine. When it's aligned at night, everything feels better. Good thing number 2, your lower back feels supported and stronger. Changing your sleep position removes that excessive arch in your lower back. You stop forcing your spine into that sagging shape. Your core muscles don't get strained overnight. Your lower back muscles stop tightening in self-defense. People often describe it like this: my lower back finally feels like it's not fighting me every morning. You'll likely notice less morning pain, less stiffness, more flexibility, and a more comfortable posture throughout the day. Your spine loves alignment. Back or side sleeping gives it exactly that. Good thing number 3, your breathing becomes deeper and more effective. When you sleep on your back or side, your chest is open, your ribs can expand, your diaphragm can move freely. You can breathe deeply. Deep breathing during sleep is powerful. It improves oxygen flow. It helps your heart. It relaxes your nervous system. It supports more restful, healing sleep. Many people report feeling more energized in the morning, not because they slept longer, but because they slept better. Good sleep isn't just about hours. It's about quality, and quality begins with how well you can breathe. And good thing number 4, your spine can finally repair during the night. This is the most important benefit. When your spine is aligned, your whole body enters recovery mode. Your discs decompress. Your joints relax. Your muscles soften. Your nervous system calms down. This leads to better mobility, better flexibility, better posture, stronger muscles, fewer aches, and a far lower risk of long-term wear and tear. Your spine does so much for you. Letting it rest properly is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. I hope this has been eye-opening for you. This isn't about making you feel bad, but about empowering you with knowledge. If you've been dealing with unexplained aches and fatigue, maybe it's time to look at how you sleep. Small changes can lead to huge results. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more comfortable life. Thanks for watching, and sleep well. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. I really want to stop sleeping on my stomach, but every single night, I just roll right back onto it. If that's you, please don't feel bad. That is completely normal. Sleeping positions are deeply ingrained habits. Your body automatically goes back to what it knows, even if what it knows isn't actually good for it. So, don't feel guilty or frustrated. The key is to make small, consistent changes, one night at a time. Let me give you some simple, practical ways to help your body adapt to a new, healthier position. If you're trying to sleep on your back, which is the ideal position, try putting a pillow under your knees. This little trick helps maintain the natural curve of your lower back, making it much more comfortable. If you're a side sleeper, which is the next best thing, try hugging a large pillow. This supports your top arm and shoulder and can prevent you from rolling forward onto your stomach. Another great strategy is to create a physical barrier. Place a firm pillow or a few rolled up towels right beside your stomach. When you try to roll over in your sleep, you'll bump into this barrier, which gently nudges you to stay on your side or back. Also, consider your mattress. Is it old and saggy? A firmer mattress provides much better support for your spine, no matter which position you're in. It prevents that unhealthy curve in your lower back. Remember, you don't need perfection overnight. You just need to make a little bit of progress each night. Your body will adjust. Your muscles will learn to relax in a new position. Your nervous system will slowly but surely relearn this new habit. It might take a few weeks. It might even take a month. But I promise you, the results are absolutely worth the effort. You'll wake up with less pain and more energy. Okay, let's do a quick recap of everything we've talked about, in plain, simple words. I want you to have a really clear takeaway from this. First, let's review the dangers of stomach sleeping. When you sleep on your stomach, you're forced to twist your neck to the side for hours. This is a recipe for stiffness, neck pain, and even headaches. It also causes your lower back to overarch, putting a ton of pressure and strain on your lumbar spine. This is why so many stomach sleepers wake up with a sore lower back. Furthermore, sleeping on your stomach compresses your chest and your internal organs. This makes your breathing more shallow and prevents you from getting deep, restorative sleep. Your diaphragm can't move freely, and most importantly, it prevents your spine from properly healing and decompressing at night. This leads to long-term wear and tear, chronic pain, and mobility issues down the road. It's like running a marathon every single night without any recovery. Now, let's contrast that with the amazing benefits of sleeping on your back or your side. When you sleep on your back, your neck stays in a neutral, aligned position, which allows the muscles to fully relax. This means more comfort and fewer tension headaches. Your lower back is also properly supported, especially with that pillow under your knees, leading to less pain and better posture during the day. Your breathing improves dramatically because your chest isn't compressed, allowing for deeper rest and more energy when you wake up. Most critically, sleeping on your back or side allows your spine to finally do its job at night, to decompress, repair, and rehydrate the discs between your vertebrae. This leads to better mobility, less tension throughout your body, and a much healthier aging process for your spine. You're not just avoiding damage, you're actively promoting healing every single night. It's a complete game changer for your long-term health. Listen to me for a second. Your spine is with you for your entire life. It carries you through every single day. It supports your body. It protects your delicate nervous system, and it allows you to move, bend, work, and live your life to the fullest. You owe it to yourself to give it the care it needs. And the easiest, most impactful place to start is where you spend a third of your life, in your bed. So tonight, I have a simple challenge for you. Just try a new position. Try starting the night on your back with a pillow under your knees, or gently roll to your side and hug a pillow. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to get it right the first time. You just have to try. I promise you, your body will thank you. Not just tomorrow morning when you wake up feeling a little bit better, but for years and years to come. If this video opened your eyes, if it helped you realize what might be the hidden cause of your daily aches and discomfort, then please take one simple step tonight. Choose a healthier sleeping position. Your spine deserves it. Your body deserves it. And you deserve to feel your best. Take care of yourself. Sleep better, live healthier, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.